Hello students, and welcome to another library how-to video. Today's video is on Noodle Tools. Noodle Tools is a citation management tool that you can easily organize your citations for your research paper. You can create a list of citations for a project, or even plan or gather your research using note cards, and you can collaborate with other students. Now the first step we're going to go to the Library tab here at the top. Under the drop-down menu, we're going to click on Online Database Reference. And we're going to click on the Noodle Tools icon right here. Now you're usually going to sign in using your Lancaster username and your password, so make sure you do so. Once you are in, you'll be here at the project dashboard right here. So if you've used Noodle Tools in the past, you might see some old projects here, but if you have not used it, you probably won't see anything. That's okay. We're going to create a new project here right now. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. We're going to go under MLA Practice. That's going to be our project title. We're going to use MLA 8. That's our citation. Citation level. Make sure you ask your teacher what citation level she wants the class to have. There might be different levels, so make sure you always ask your teacher first, because you don't want to do a whole citation list and not have the right citation format here. So we're just going to use junior. We're going to submit that. And here we are at the dashboard here. You can write down your research question here at the top, your thesis, and you can look at the history, so the project, when it was created, when it was updated. So you can look at a 30-day log of all the days you worked on it. You can have a public view of it, and you can share it with your teacher so she can go into your Noodle Tools. And if you want to work on a project with a student, you can add a student with their username so they can edit your Noodle Tools, and you can edit their Noodle Tools as well. And there's a to-do list here at the bottom. So if you have some items due for your project, you can just type those in and write down the dates they need to be completed by, just to keep yourself organized. Now next is the sources right here. We don't see any sources yet because we didn't add anything. So I'm going to show you an example project I've done. We're going to go under sources now. So this is what the page will usually look like. So it's in alphabetical order. You can always sort it by currency or media type, but I recommend alphabetical order because that's what MLA 8 citation wants. Here's all your citations. You can go over here to edit, and you can edit what needs to be edited, or if it's wrong, you can just save. Or if you don't even like it, just go under options again and delete it. Okay, next we're going to go to analysis. So you're going to click analysis here at the top. And it's just going to tell you the balance of information you have. So we have 8 database articles, 3 print, and 3 at the web. So is this the right balance of print and online resources? Your teacher may want a balanced print and online resource for the research paper. So just make sure you have a good balance, and it shows you breakdown by specific type. So it's a very useful tool to use just to have your resources balanced. Next, we're going to go to print and export right here at the top. You're going to click that. Let's export it to our Google Docs. So we're going to click on that option. You can also export it to your Word document as well. We're just going to do Google Docs. The neat thing about it, once it loads, it will show you a Google Docs with all your citations on it right here. So it's all double space it for you. They put it in alphabetical order. They do the hanging indent. So it's all set and it's correct and it's ready to go. So that's just an easy way of doing that. Next, up here at the top, we're going to go to note cards. Note cards are a fun little easy tool you can use. So you could click on a random note card, and it gives you a direct quotation you're going to use in your paper. You can add the URL and the page number. So, and it can link right to your source, so links right to your citation, and you can put a note why you use that citation and what the purpose of it is. So this is a really good tool for teachers to look at to see why you use the citation and what the purpose is. So you can just put those all together in a group. There's a bird's eye view right here, so you can move this around. Oh, you found a citation over here you were missing, so you can just move that over here. So that's a very useful tool to use to organize your thoughts. The paper tab up here takes you to Google Docs. So if you click on that, you just have to sign in using your username and password, and you can just sign into your Google Docs account, and you can just go back and forth from Noodle Tools to your Google Docs very easily and just click in that. So if you need to refer back to Noodle Tools, you can just use that paper button right here at the top. Now we're going to go back to sources, and I'm going to show you how to upload an MLA8 citation from Noodle Tools, from a database to Noodle Tools. All right, so now I'm going to take you to the project subject guides right here, this tab. You're going to go right here under the library tab, and we're going to go to a database. I'm going to use students, resource, and context. So we're going to click on that. Let's say your project's on Alexander Hamilton. You're going to type that in. All right, so you're looking for an article you want to use. Let's say your project's about the Burr-Hamilton duel, so you're going to click on that. And right here on the right-hand side, under Citation Tools, you're going to click that. And there's your citation. It's all set, ready to go. All you got to do is export it. So you click on Noodle Tools to export to, and you click on Export. And right here on the bottom, you click on the project you want to use, and you just import it. But before you do that, make sure this citation matches with this citation right here, because sometimes it makes mistakes going through. It sometimes happens. So for example, this one says Jennifer Harrison. That's not in this one, and you need to have the author. So there's a mistake right there. So we'll import this. We'll go back to Noodle Tools. We're going to go under our projects. Under my new project right here. I'm going to go under sources and see it already uploaded right here for you. So we're actually going to edit that because that was wrong because it didn't have the author in it. So we're going to tweak it manually. I find that easier. Right, so we're going to save that. All right, so now that's correct. So we tweak that. It's all set. It's ready to go. And there you go. So make sure you just upload it, double check it, and always press import references here on the bottom. Now, some of you like to go right to your Google Drive, so that's easy. Just go to Citation Tools. Instead of exporting this citation to Noodle Tools, just go to Google Drive and click Export. We're going to go to my Google Drive. So right here is the Google Drive. So it uploaded it. There's the author. It's all perfect. But make sure you do it hanging indent because they just kind of throw it on the page. So make sure you double space and have that hanging indent when you do that. All right, so that's all set. Now I'm going to show you how to do it from EBSCOhost or another database that doesn't have the Noodle Tools in it. So we're going to go to Online Database Reference. We're going to go under Facts on File right here. I just picked a random one. We'll go to Issues and Controversies. Let's pick Affirmative Action right here. All right, so you read this article, you like it, you want to use it. So you scroll all the way to the bottom. You see the citation right here. That's what you're going to use. Make sure it's MLA. You're going to copy that. You're going to go to your sources and press Create New Citation. So you can always pick one of these if you do a website, for example, on Google. All right, so if they don't give you the MLA citation, they might not do it on websites, and some databases don't give you the citation. So usually on Google websites, they don't. So you're just going to fill in each category right here. It's really easy, the name, the author, URL. Just fill it out one by one and click Save. So that's real simple to do. But if you already have the citation like we do, just go to QuickCite right here and just copy and paste it into this box right here and just click Save. And there you go. You're all set. You have your citation right here. You have another citation right there. So they're all set, ready to go, and you can print and export it. Real simple to use. All right, that is the end of my video. I hope everyone learned more about Noodle Tools. If you have any questions, please come to the Library Media Center, and you can ask our librarians for more help. Thank you for watching.